Welcome back to Just Diane Adventures, and this is Diane. We have today a vinyl figurine, a Labubu, the Monsters Coca-Cola figurine to open. And so this is, it's rare because they're not being made anymore. So we're lucky to have the box, and I am hoping to find one of the fun ones. We have 10 figures, and then one special secret right there. Although, you know what? The Surf With Me, and the gift delivery is super cute. Oh, and so is the Time to Cool Down one. He's so adorable. But we're going to open him, and we're going to see what we got. So let's get this going. Alright guys, we got the bag. Monsters. Oh, that's so adorable. Alright, let's rip him open. Oh, I'm so excited. What did we get? Oh, how cute is he? Look at this little guy. Oh my goodness. Oh, how sweet. It is called... Look what I found. Oh, how sweet. So he's just fishing for a little Coca-Cola bottle. So he is. Oh, that is so cute. Look at him. Okay, let's see what we have here. He's right there. Oh, so adorable. He's ice fishing. And he found himself an ice cold Coca-Cola. How cute are you, little guy? Oh my goodness. So sweet. Ah, I just love these little figurines. They are so adorable. So cute.